Every year around this time, we release a very special card kit for the holidays. This one is called Blue Christmas. I'm Trisha Morris from Club Scrap, and let's take a look at what comes inside that box. Your kit is going to include some gorgeous papers, and you can see here why we named this Blue Christmas. We're starting out with this lovely berry print. Now, this is a little different than usual. This is a text weight because on the other side, we have this stripe print. So we have basically two prints in one with that duplex print. We also have some nice plain stock for you as well. 2 sheets of a linen textured dark blue, a smooth medium blue, linen textured light blue, a metallic silver, and then a super smooth white. While this is the foundation for all of your greeting cards, we're also including 2 sheets of printed cut aparts. These have been painstakingly planned so that they complete both the outside and inside of a set of 12 greeting cards. Now, if you're like me and like to actually mail your cards, we've got you covered. Every kit is going to include the envelopes required for all the sizes and cards you'll make. So here we have 4 each of 3 different sizes. I also like to embellish my cards with ribbons, so we're including that too. We've got a yard of this silver-edged blue satin combo grosgrain, a yard of this really neat narrow metallic silver, and you're gonna have a lot of fun playing with this bright metallic silver ribbon. It's about a 3/8 inch thick, and you get 2 yards. And we're also including 4 of these awesome laser cut Christmas trees, a darling set of 4 silver mini bows, and an entire sheet of Merry Christmas Dazzle stickers. This is an amazing package of supplies that will arrive at your doorstep. But what's even better is you can download and print our very, very detailed instructions that include exactly how to trim and score all of the papers and then assemble your cards. Plus, that comes with a video. Yours truly, I'll walk you through the making of these cards step by step. Our first set of 4 cards features that laser cut Christmas tree in the background, and you can choose whichever side of the print you want to feature. We have the outer and the inner sentiment all set to go for you. Just like the first set, our second set of 4 cards is very simple. It's a busy time of year. So we're showcasing both sides of that duplex print, topped with the square sentiment and accented with a handmade bow. Again, the inside of the card is good to go as well. Our third set of cards are 5x7 and feature the ornament artwork hung by the ribbon and accented with that cute little metallic bow. And remember that gorgeous sheet of Dazzle stickers? You can add a Merry Christmas sentiment to the outside lip of every single envelope in the kit. It's gonna be such a fun set to put together. Come and join me for the Blue Christmas card class. Can't wait to see you there.